Good morning, everyone. A bit chillier this morning. Should put long pants on and a jacket. But we're gonna hop up, get some coffee, and get ready to head out for Copper Harbor. Checking the P-mail. Just put a dry harness on him, he's getting it wet. It's alright. As long as he's happy. It says like a spring in his step after he's been in the water. So it looks like there's an eagle out there. Now, it's kind of hard to tell for sure, but it's about as far as my camera will zoom in. Back to the car.
I'm trying to get something so I can update Instagram because I haven't really done anything yesterday. He's like, okay, one like.
Someone's a little jealous because I was taking pictures of the other dogs. Tell me all about it. You don't even like it in your picture taken. Well, if the camp's not awake yet, they are now. You gonna sing too? Okay, I'll move over here so you can sing. You girls ready to go?
He's sitting. I'm sitting. I'm sitting. I'm so ready.
But Memphis, you don't have your harness on yet. What is it, Shelby? Memphis. And Oakley. Hi, Oakley. Oh, I'm getting Oakley kisses. Sorry, there you go. Alright. Everyone's packing up. Getting ready to head over to Copper Harbor. You ready to go, bud? Got another adventure for today?
There's a, right there, that's Quincy Mine. That little gray building you see at the top of the hill.
Yeah.
There's a mine right there. We're gonna drive by it. That's Quincy Mine. I think that's Quincy Mine. If not, it's got a different name. But this is, they used to bring the ore and stuff down here, and this was one of the factories where they used to load up the boats and send the ore out of here.
It's neat. So there's a bridge we were trying to get a better shot of. This actually connects the two cities right across the river. Got Memphis Head sticking out the window. Thor Head was sticking out the window. crossing the bridge. Here's that great building Jessica was talking about. It's Quincy Mine. There's a snowfall record sign up here we're going to check out. I'll be back, Thor. I'm not leaving you.
That sign that keeps on going up. This is the world record snowfall.
Whoa, you see that last year?
Yeah, last year. Right there, this is how much snow there was.
It's the cumulative over the course of the. They
Is
got
that
each month. So in the month of November, they got a total of 116 inches. So that's all through winter, and then that's.
Yeah, I think in Ohio we were like at 5 feet.
If you guys can't tell, Oscar and Thor are not happy about being left behind.
Nope, not at all.
It's like you left me in the car. I know. Hold on, I'll come get you. All right, Thor wants to see the sign too. You happy, Thor?
But not by much. Not by much. Yeah, it's. Oh, yeah.
Now all the doggies are out. Thor. All right, time to hop back in the car. Just got to Eagle River. Come on, Thor. Oh, careful. A little ways down. See, there's an old wooden dam there. Or what's left of it, at least. And there's the bridge we just crossed in the car.
Exploring.
Careful.
We go down any further?
Oh my gosh.
You think we can do it quickly?
Alright, we're making our way down. Hopefully we'll all make it back up. The camera off just so I don't break it on accident. We made it down, no one died. If you guys remember, we were all the way up there. Time to make the climb back up. I made it, Thor.
He was looking for you the whole time.
We're getting ready to head out. It was a lot of fun. Getting ready to head to our next spot. You ready, Thor? It's at Jacob's Fall. We're at the Jam Pot Bakery. Jamie's out watching the dogs. We're gonna go see what's in here. Wish you guys could smell it in here. Yeah, there's no way you could walk in here and not buy something. The waves getting you, Thor? Our little mountain goat. Are you having a good time? Jessica, finding our way up, on way up to this platform. Hold on, Thor. Did I mention my husky is part mountain goat?
Look at him, he's like, hey, what's going on?
Hi, Memphis. Oh, you want to go up that way? There's the lighthouse. And banana. packed up and ready to go to the next spot. Silver River Falls. There's a trail. Turning out, the rain caught up to us, but we're on the final stretch, I believe, right before Copper Harbor. Wow. See Thor? So this crazy puppy is fearless. He keeps walking right up to the edge. So he's on a short leash now.
Well,
because he's just crazy enough to, look at that. He's like, oh, what's down there? I bet I can get closer.
You guys mind if I check real quick?
Get
I'll be right back.
back here, you nut. Back in the car out of the rain, and we're headed off to our next stop. Come on, Thor. Says we made it to the lookout. It's nap time. Alright. This is the first real off-road test for my little Highlander. Let's see how she does. little bit of mud on her. Thor, you're doing so good, bud. Devil's Washtub. Thor refuses to be left behind. Sure where we are now, but it looks cool. Did you find something, Thor? I think he did. He's really... Don't get bit. Is there squeaking? I think Thor might have found a mouse or something. Got crazy good hearing.
Oh yeah, they remind me of foxes.
Yeah.
When they turn their ears and they do their little head turn. It's right here,
Yeah.
in the rock right here. That's coming.
Heading down the stairs, gonna go over to the beach. Thor may want to check his critter hole real quick. It's going right back to where that mouse went, or chipmunk. Is it still in there? I don't hear him squeaking. He might have moved somewhere else, bud. collected some rocks, played in the almost at ocean, lake for a bit, and now it looks like we're gonna go ahead and head back to camp. Trees are already changing. I bet this place is absolutely gorgeous in fall. Well, we made it back, and it's raining outside, so the rain's supposed to quit in about an hour or so, so I think everyone's just kind of hanging out in their tents, relaxing, resting from the drive back. And once the rain dies down, we're gonna hop out and meet back up and maybe cook something for dinner. Alright, we just got done eating dinner. We did make it back alright, but the battery was dead in my camera, so I didn't film anything after that. It's pretty much just been raining. We've been stuck inside the tent, so we're gonna go to bed so we can get up early tomorrow and head on a new adventure. So, good night, Thor. He's a tired boy. He's had a busy day. Good night, buddy. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of Thor's future adventures. Also, this trip was taken with several other amazing YouTubers who will each be posting their own videos with their own unique perspective on the trip. Some video can only be seen on their channels, so make sure and head over to their channels to see their versions of our trip together.